This is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to talk about an important piece of software that I use in my practice every single day, and that software is called Splashtop. Now, Splashtop is basically a remote control software that allows you to access any computer in your office from any computer anywhere in the world. So the way I use this in my practice is I'll remotely control my PrimeScan or my OmniCam or even any of my CDOCS computers from any computer I have in the office. So we use this in our office in another way, in the sense that I allow my assistants to connect to it from the operatory computer. So what this does on our secondary display is gives a mirror image of the PrimeScan, not only for myself to look at while I'm imaging, but also for my patients and my assistants to watch what we're doing as well. Now, what this can sometimes cause is if I'm designing on that PrimeScan somewhere else in the office and my assistant happens to be connected in that operatory, sometimes her mouse and keyboard movements can cause issues while I'm designing. So what Splashtop has done in the latest update is they've introduced a feature called View Only. So in the 3.4.4 update, once you update your machines, you'll be able to go into the settings on that computer, and under the view option or display options, there's going to be a setting for View Only. So this means that any computer that has View Only connected means they won't have access to the remote computer, meaning they can't move the mouse and keyboard and affect the PrimeScan. So this helps when I'm designing remotely, so I don't have any interruption or interferences. So if you are using Splashtop or Splashtop Business, just make sure to go in and update your software and utilize this feature if you need to. So hopefully this tip was helpful. We look forward to seeing you again soon in future videos. Take care.